Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to do our install and review of the best tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone 16 series, which includes the iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Plus, the iPhone 16 Pro, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this is the one from SmartDevil. Installation is very easy. Everything you need to install this tempered glass screen protector on your iPhone 16 series is included in the box. First of all, go ahead and clean the display of your iPhone 16 Pro using the included wet wipes, the microfiber cloth, and the dust absorbing stickers. Next up, take the tempered glass screen protector with the book style case. Phone screen side down on this tempered glass screen protector. Close the book style case, press and hold in the middle to apply some pressure, and then pull the tab at the bottom. Once you've pulled it all the way out, lift the iPhone from this book style case, remove the film from the top, and bam, there it is. That is how you install this SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector onto your iPhone 16 series. Now, once you're done with the install, if you see any air bubbles, all you have to do is push them out. The best part about this install is that the box is a dust controlled environment. So as long as you do not have any dust particles on the display of your iPhone 16 series, the install is going to be bubble free and dust free. So pretty easy peasy to install this SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector. Next up, you will notice that the installation, the cut of the screen protector is absolutely perfect and precise. There are no black borders on this tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 16 series, and there is no rainbow effect on the side, because sometimes you have tempered glass screen protectors which are not cut perfectly to go right over those black bezels. Yes, that is something which is pretty good about this SmartDevil tempered glass. It goes right over those black bezels by a few millimeters so that there is no rainbow effects on the side. Also, sometimes there are screen protectors, because they go over the black bezels, they are not case friendly. That is not the case with this one. This SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone 16 series is definitely case friendly. Next up, what about the touch sensitivity and the typing experience? There is no change in the touch sensitivity and the typing experience once you've installed the SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector onto your iPhone 16 series. Everything works absolutely fine, no missed touches, nothing like that. Works like a boss. And after all this typing, you would think that there would be a lot of smudges on the screen protector which you have to clean. Well, that is not the case with the SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector, because this one has an anti-fingerprint oleophobic coating. Other than that, if you get a few drops of water, the display gets wet. You also have hydrophobic coating, so the water will just roll off, and even with wet fingers, the touch works absolutely fine with this SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector installed onto your iPhone 16 Pro, the Pro Max, the Plus, or the normal iPhone 16. Other than that, this is also anti-shatter and shock-proof. Plus, it is able to easily hand the keys, the coins, anything else which you have in your pocket with your iPhone. The screen protector is not going to get scratched. So if you are in the market looking for the best tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone 16 Pro, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Plus, something which is easy to install, has oleophobic coating and hydrophobic properties, along with the fact that there is no rainbow on the edges, no rainbow effect. The typing experience is as good as it would be without a tempered glass screen protector. Then make sure you do check the tempered glass screen protector from SmartDevil for your iPhone 16 series.